All right, today I have a Mazda CX-5 and I'm going to show you how to open up the hood. This is a 2019 edition. All right, if you could, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm sitting in the vehicle, all right, in the driver's side. I'm going to open up the door, all right, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to look down, and there's a series of levers down here. And you see this one right here? This is for opening up the hood. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull on it, hear it pop, and then I'm going to walk around to the front of the vehicle. I'm going to walk around to the front of the vehicle, all right? And then there is, you can't quite open it up because you need to find the latch, all right? So what I'm going to do is, the latch is actually on the bottom, the lever is at the bottom. So I'm going to take my finger in and then slide it like that, all right? So I'm going to take my finger in, slide it like that, and then lift up. All right, you see that? This is the lever I was talking about. And then I'm gonna find the kickstand, which is right here, and then put it into place where it goes. I can't quite figure it out. The kickstand goes, I'm not sure. Oh, the kickstand goes right in here. Let me show you right there. And that is how you open up the hood. Let me know if you have any questions.